Hey everybody, this is One Yacht Carpenter. This is our project for the next month or so. It's a 46 foot ocean. Papillon's the name. You guys remember that movie, right? No idea, is awesome. So it has, several different brows that go around it. We have a little bit of work to do up here in the lounge area, but we've got it stripped from here forward. We've been on it a couple. So yeah, it's got brows all over it and little blocks like you see on the antenna. I'll take you inside later, show you what's going on. That's it right there. This is my view for today. I'm sure you guys can dig it. I don't know, probably a lot of famous people over there. I don't know. All right, I'll bring you back. Okay guys, well, we got half of it stripped, a little more than half. We're gonna do this side today, as well as the brows on the back. This would be a little easier than the other side, which wasn't too hard, because it's pretty well sun-baked on this side. So we're gonna strip this side today. We got the pulpit and the port side all stripped, all the brows, everything up there. All's quiet at the MTV house. They're doing good over there. So, all right, I'll bring you back. Hey, good morning, everybody. Here we are on Papillon again. We're probably 4 or 5 weeks into this job. The starboard side is nearly complete. We're sanding right now to put our final coat on. It looks awesome. All the brows are finished. If you'll bear with me, I'm going to take you inside and show you the little panels and stuff that we're replacing. Here we're dry fitting this one. That's what we're covering up. Little age on the girl. Take care of it. This has been veneered and bleached. It will look like that in short order. Alright. Here's our replacement panel for inside. It comes in a couple of parts. So, hope there's enough light in here, but that's where it goes. Let's see. I hope that helps. The door goes in right in here, and we're gonna make a double door. It goes right in there. I have the drawer and everything. We just don't have this part yet. This is where the other panel, the small part of the panel goes here. Is one piece. The other piece goes here. You see, they had a little water damage. Sorry about the terrible camera work. That's how it goes. I'm a carpenter, not a cameraman. Okay. I had to keep my voice down because they may be in there sleeping. You never know. All right. There's the MTV house. All but deserted during the week. And packed on the weekend. I don't come here on the weekend. All right, it's One Yacht Carpenter. I'll see you in a little while. Yeah, so we're getting to over here to where we haven't done anything. We just want to make sure that, we didn't do any kind of damage to it. Any damage that was on there is already there. We don't hurt boats, we make them beautiful. I'll bring you back. Come here. Okay, precious.
I definitely want to say hello. Thank you. Yeah. You know I had something to do.
Hey, what are you doing?
He was the one that delivered.
Well, hello everybody. It's Monday morning, daybreak. The sun's about to come up over the horizon, and we're here to take a look at the boat we just finished. I'm gonna take you over there in a few minutes. But this never gets old. You're having almost a whole yacht club to yourself. All right, be a gorgeous day. This is the 46 Ocean that we stripped and coated and put 8 coats of Epiphanes, high gloss, varnish Fortique. Very important that you get the varnish that is Fortique. It has UV protectors in it. Keeps your teak nice and gold looking. As you can see, it came out really nice. The customer's gonna love it. He's out of town right now, but when he gets back, he's gonna take a look at it and say, oh my goodness, they did a great job. One little touch up to do. Right here. That's good. Okay, you remember the bar that was weather damaged? We have all that taken care of. We re-veneered the front of this. Looks really nice. The door had a little damage on it, so we kind of fixed that up a little bit. Now it closes, looks good. It's got a little warp in her. Nothing, I can't really take that out. It fits good everywhere else, so we're good. We also did the bright work up here. Came out really nice. Little chart table. This grate, it was pretty weathered and stained, and I acid washed it, and it came out like brand new. I know he's gonna love that. All this bright work we did, 2 coats on everything. This bezel. This boat's for sale. If you guys are in the market for a 46 Ocean that's been well taken care of, get with me and I'll give you the info you need. All these little pieces were coated. Everything looks great. We also scuffed and put 2 coats on all the interior wood in this lounge area. It really looks nice. Everything came out beautiful. I'm very happy. Let's go inside. I hope we have enough light in here. There used to be a TV right here, so it was an old TV, so we took it out and we made some doors for it. Now they have a little bit of storage they can use. We also stole a drawer that was down here because we had a gap right here. So we took the drawer that was here and put it here, and it works very nice. Beautiful. Alright, that's all we did in here, but it came out good. He's gonna love it. Or he's gonna like it, I'm sure. And inconspicuous, right? Bet nobody saw that. Okay guys, this is me wrapping it up. It's One Yacht Carpenter, and it's almost dawn, but I gotta go. Another boat calls. Have a good day. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you're into refitting yachts, or restoring them at the very least. I have a big project underway right now that you guys haven't seen. I'll probably put a video out about that pretty soon. Until then, this is One Yacht Carpenter, and I'm out. This is my next project. I've already done it. A shit ton of work to it. You want to see how it comes out? Subscribe. You'll see the video when it's done. Bye. That's a nice Cadillac. Great paint job. Spoke wheels. Very nice. Vinyl top. You can see why he parks way out here. Same reason I do.